Hey everyone, it's Mary with the Painted Peach and welcome back to my channel. I am in the Rustic Wednesday but on Saturday playlist. It is hosted by Shabby Meets Bling and Repurposed My Way. We are doing Down on the Farm rustic style, and I'm starting with this cutting board that I am repurposing, and we are going to paint over it with Wedding Cake by Martha Stuart. And we will cover the whole board probably about 3 times and get it nice and dry. And then we're going to use a stencil from Magnolia.
The porch, it creaks, the board's worn thin. The wind sneaks through where pain should have been. Roosters crow as the sun breaks the hill. A rustic life, so quiet, so still. Oh, the old farmhouse, weathered by time, sheltered our hearts, so simple, so fine. Pigs in the pen, mud up to their knees. Life moves slow between the oaks and the breeze. A bucket of scraps the pigs come to feed. Morning hymn sung by the hens in their need. The tools on the wall, rusted but true. The earth holds stories known by the dew. Oh, the old farmhouse, weathered by time, sheltered hearts, so simple, so fine. Pigs in the pen, mud up to their knees. Life moves slow between the oaks and the breeze. The chimney coughs with the wood fire's glow. Seasons pass fast with nowhere to go. Echoes of laughter from lives long ago. The farmhouse knows all that we may never know. Roosters grow wistful as twilight descends. Shadows cast long where the dirt path bends. Pigs settle down in their sleepy embrace, letting night blanket this humble old place. Oh, the old farmhouse, weathered by time, sheltered hearts, so simple, so fine. Pigs in the pen, mud up to their knees. Life moves slow between the oaks and the breeze. The rooster crows at the break of dawn. The fields are quiet, the cows are gone. Daddy's boots sit by the door. mud-caked dreams of days before. Mama hums her favorite hymn while morning's light is creeping in. The tractor's rust, it's seen its day, but still it plows life's worn out clay. Down on the farm where hearts grow tough, the land is rough, but we call it enough. Memories rise with each passing storm. It's love and loss down on the farm. The garden rows, they've turned to weeds, but I still hear whispers in the trees. Grandpa's hands once worked this ground. His love for it still lingers round. The barn is leaning, it's giving way, like the weight of all the yesterdays. We keep it standing, board by board, 'cause what we save is worth much more. Down on the farm where hearts grow tough, the land is rough, but we call it enough. Memories rise with each passing storm. It's love and loss down on the farm. Canvas sprawled beneath the oak, we hum a tune untold. Brush in hand, the colors bloom, a story bright and bold. Clay in palms, the wheel turns slow, shaping life anew. With every laugh, the moments stretch like skies of morning blue. We stitch the air with golden threads, our spirits running free. Paint the world in hues unknown, a tapestry of weave. Through the dirt and through the song, the world spins soft and kind, creating art with all my friends, leaving woes behind. Carving wood till stars awake, the work is never done. We craft the days with crooked smiles neath a soft, forgiving sun. The ink spills out on paper bare, stories start to sing. Our lives a quilt piece slowly by every joy we bring. We stitch the air with golden threads, our spirits running free. Paint the world in hues unknown, a tapestry of we. locked away, or roads paved clean and bright, when every crooked winding path brings candles to the night. Each smudged finger, every line a testament to love. Our hands are stained with magic as the skies burn up above. At the fire, the shadows grin. We whisper songs long past. The flicker plays upon their face, each moment built to last. With every heartbeat, every step, together we create a life that's tangled, raw and real, no fortune could translate. At the fire, the shadows grin. We whisper songs long past. The flicker plays upon their face, each moment built to last.
Welcome to my channel, where art and fun collide. My name is Mary and I'm so glad you stopped by. I can't begin to tell you how much it means to me. Your support and a little of your time is all I need. I hope to see you here again once this video is done. I hope you will subscribe and let me know if you had fun. You till next time, I say farewell. I don't mean to be preachy, but please stay peachy.
Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope if you like what you see, you'll subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go over to my description and check out the playlist and the hosts of this playlist, Shabby Meets Bling and Repurposed My Way. And I'll be showing you the finished projects in just a moment. The first one was I like pig butts and I cannot lie, and then guess what? Chicken butt. Alright guys, I'll see you next time, and head on over to the playlist and watch the rest. And as always, stay peachy.